there?
No, thank you. I don't drink.
Here she goes.
Oh, that's really, really high. It only lets one out?
Single shell.
Oh, wow.
Might as well take one with you, but just get it next time. Make any more trips than you have to. Your leg will give up.
Yeah.
It's like been giving him trouble more.
Well, he'll get cramped up if you let him. I remember when we went to South Dakota to that wedding, boy, he was on his feet all day long.
Yeah, how'd that go?
We went to leave that night. He couldn't even get in the truck.
Is that the one with the rockets in it?
Oh, that's Let's Go Brandon. That's for my brother. He's has to do with it's political.
Oh.
Something about it was people were chatting that when Joe Biden was speaking or something. So
I'm not gonna get the
they think they were actually saying like fuck Joe Biden. And then the announcer said something about Let's Go Brandon. Got to blow up
No, it's me. 56 degrees. Yeah, right? Sweating your butt off. It's them. Are you home? We're out at the lagoons watching Travis. What you up to? You gonna watch the fairgrounds? Yeah, that's what I figured. Yeah. Say what?
In our yard, no, it was
It is pretty chilly out.
we can see the fireworks. Oh, I thought you said lightning.
Say hi to John. Say hi to John. He finally found his phone again. He called you a stranger. You're just stranger than most.
Wow. Who's on the phone?
Go. Say hi. Well, I was just calling you back. I love you. See you later. Bye. You're too nice.
Was that that guy that goes
Yeah.
at your house for a while?
Yeah.
When's the last time you seen him?
A couple of weeks ago. He still comes to get stuff for me. Comes to get stuff for me. He still has stuff at my house. He got put in the basement.
That's at the house, though, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Does his sister not live there still then?
Yeah, his mom still lives there, his sister, and then his sister put him in the basement. No. He's not supposed to climb the stairs.
Well, that thing got flooded out and everything else, didn't it, down there?
I don't know, I think so.
Here we go.
Oh, It don't go up. Not that high. Yeah, I can't keep both. Where am I going?
That's pretty good.
Did it spit it out? I think so.
I don't even take my garbage to the road anymore.
Oh yeah?
Doctor said absolutely not.
Oh
They're
yeah?
afraid I'm going to fall and they'll crush because they're so bad.
Do you get a wrap? Do you got a wrap or anything for
Well, I
you?
got all kinds of. I still even got those knee braces and everything I
Right.
got from you.
Right.
But, yeah, I
Oh,
don't know.
sorry, Trev.
A lot of them, I don't know
Guy
if they
to
do
quit
that much
yapping.
good anyway.
The braces?
Yeah.
Well, I think,
The biggest thing they do is keep it from going backwards, you know. But other than that, I mean, it don't really hold its support. You don't matter how tight you put them straps, eventually they,
give up.
well, you know, you're walking and working and it's. Yeah, that one the doctor gave me, that was pretty good.
It's hard finding them. Whoa.
Buddy. Yeah, that one I have. That's about the best one.
Don't ever just sit. That's what Kurt did. He just sat and then.
Yeah. Well, once everything starts wearing off too, and then you start
Yep.
getting into physical therapy. Yeah,
He said he was the best patient for. Are you recording?
Uh-huh.
Never mind.
Oh, hit the truck.
That was a very good one.
Jesus, what was that?
Woo!
I love it, love
Right. But it can be done the next day.
There's a high one. I better get you another buck going here. Where are they? Bring you one?
82 to 60s. That's sad.
It is.
God, I don't know.
Isn't it terrible?
Normally I don't run my AC, but this year I have to because of Shiloh. His body just don't take the heat anymore. He's like panting and turning his gumpter, turning paler. So, and Fancy died. That little chihuahua. She had a seizure for about 10 minutes. And
Who's that other one?
Fancy,
She died. Oh, I guess you told me that, didn't you?
long time. It's been, what, 2 months now? 3 months?
Fuck out.
I think it was in March. Boom.
That one high.
Oh. There we go. Holy. Remember that 5 inches?
Wow. Beautiful, Trev.
Oh, that was a single. Okay.
Oh, there's a good one.
Is that all 4? Wow.
Like 7 months. Okay, load them up.
It's going quick. Are you cold? Or are you getting worked up?
He's the only one that ate it.
Jerry.
It's cold. Jesus Christ, he'd be out there just never got a sweater, make a fucking car on.
What?
You were right. Mark's troop is hell. He ruined my birthday party.
Oh no.
His friend Heather came out. That's all he did was hit on her. He kicked the bowling alley. He carried the ball up to me and fucking stopped hitting on her. I go, she has the boyfriend.
You don't care.
Oh, I know.
You don't care at all.
It was a total joke.
Yeah, after Alicia went.
8 kids.
After Alicia would give him time of day, he ended up calling me once and asking me out, and I said, no, thank you.
I didn't know she had that. I'm sorry.
48.
I'm not hanging out.
And she had one that died, right, Scott, too?
Yep.
Oh,
She had a stillborn, I think.
oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, pretty regular. I mean, that's just, I don't mean that bad way. I mean, like I said, that's pretty good for somebody that had 8 kids.
Right.
Usually 8 kids, man, you're looking like hell.
A little too saggy, huh? Well, I had 3 and I got saggy.
I didn't know he had a friend out. I knew he hit on her.
Oh, he come over and asked me to go talk to her. I was like, she's got a boyfriend.
Who's
You
that,
don't want...
Alicia?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Jesus Christ.
No, what he did, he came over one day and tried to put Sadie's foot down.
No. I told him, I said, I'm going to let my Sadie out. Don't date.
Uh-huh.
And just don't touch her. Don't look at her. Don't touch her. Just wait till she gets to see you.
Right.
Well, he's a dog trainer. So he has his hand out and he's staring at her. And I said, don't do that till she gets to realize that she's somebody different. And he did, and they start pushing her butt down.
Travis! Don't scare me.
Pushed her butt down, and I said, don't do
You
that.
see what he would do.
This girl is they're usually pretty easy to get along with, but
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to miss
Not her.
about one bite.
Well, she was abused.
Oh,
So I said, you can't do that. So I told Scott if he comes back, I'll call cops.
Yeah. My mom asked him to leave. And then he come over, wanted to drink my alcohol, my car that was on the table.
Right.
oh, that about ran me right into the shit.
Yeah. Yeah, they're all the way up
Yeah,
there.
Way over there, one behind the tree.
That's
There,
right.
this way. I heard a car that way.
Oh, I don't know.
A car? I didn't hear.
I don't know where
Oh, that real way happened. I don't know where in the hell we're gonna watch the in-town fireworks now because we always just park.
Yeah, I don't know how you're going to get back there unless you go
Oh,
behind
yeah,
the
you can
fairgrounds.
get back there, but I don't think you can get back there.
Yeah, you can at the fairgrounds, but
Jim
that's...
again. Sit on that path.
I thought about it, looked at parking the truck and walking out about the road there,
Yeah.
sitting on the path or something.
Well, they're gonna railroad you.
On the sidewalk.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I think that'd probably be the best place so you can see it. Or right in that park area right behind the 7-Eleven there.
Yeah, by the time you get there, it's full.
Yeah.
You call it 7-Eleven coming home.
I'm old school.
7-Eleven too. It's got this big 7-Eleven here.
It was. It was. I'd rather be old school than come and go. See, he's older than I
7-Eleven or loafing, John.
Yeah.
Oh, John, I got my hat trick on Sunday.
Or Mini Mart.
Oh, wow.
Mini Mart.
Outside the circle. Now I'm like,
Go up to the Sun Mart.
My birthday present.
Oh, fancy. How was your trip to New York?
what the the hell?
York.
Didn't you go to New York or something?
Well, we were supposed to, but
Okay, that's what.
Scott and Fish Red.
Oh, okay. That was for your birthday, right?
First entrance in almost 5 years I got up.
Oh, cool. Cardinal.
Yeah.
Four-player team in October again. I've been on Lake going on 17 years. 17
2 more here.
Went out to ship track. Yeah, I'm going to Bowling Alley by himself.
Yeah, Charlotte.
I didn't go.
Selfie Charlotte.
What?
You burp like him. Don't.
It's a guy thing.
It's a beer thing. Drive it!
Stand trailers.
Right. Hey, will you record tonight's fireworks? Okay. Would you make a disc of all your fireworks shows for the kids to see? Because I think you got one with them in it. Yeah. Oh, I went too far. I don't know how to aim.
Your vehicle doesn't work at all?
No, it won't even start. It's deader than doornail. I already had it charged by them. Next day it wouldn't start again.
Well, you didn't tell long before you ran the battery, though. You got to drive it, let it charge it up.
I did drive it. It runs a lot. I couldn't go out on the road with it because I don't have insurance or tags. So,
25.
for what?
Lowrit. Our main lady lives there.
Oh my, where?
By Braintree Electric on the other side.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
How could anybody... Yeah, and then on top of it, they want to give you a $50, $40 raise on your Social Security, but jack up everything else in the process. Food, clothes, gas.
That's just cost of living interest. That ain't going to keep up with that shit. But
No,
God,
they want to
they're
keep
all
you under
over
thumb.
500 now, ain't they? When I first moved here, we rented that trailer in Robindale for $80 a month.
I know we spent, what was it, 56 when we first moved here in 77.
I heard it's like almost 500-600 in the Robindale.
Yeah, they're all going up.
Almost 700. I heard they were trying to go up to like 800.
Yeah, it's because by Braintree they're either 815 or 825 because our mail lady lives there.
And that's where Neil lives.
Christ.
Our cousin Neil, yeah.
Oh, how's he afford that?
I have, well, his old lady works up at Market at the liquor store up there.
That's why I see him to go to that marketplace every him up there.
Yeah.
That's why his wife works there. Boy, it doesn't sound like his kids. Jesus, how could he ended up in jail?
Well, if it was for what they were saying, yeah, I can see why.
Yeah. Of course, sometimes that's all a bunch of shit.
Yeah, well, they also claimed Uncle Sonny's was a bunch of shit.
Well, after he told me that he'd been in there a year, I figured out it ain't a bunch of shit then because they would have been on. Yeah, his last canister. There she is, folks.
Boom! Now it's Benelli.
Right at 5 inches, they went pretty good.
Nope. Nope. I called.
There she goes.
He's got almost $400 worth of fireworks, so he would be the one to go to. Okay. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was going to be that quickly. Okay. Alright. Bye-bye. No, it was Jane.
Surprised they didn't call you back.
No, I don't get called back from them.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, another good show.